Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Fee, and today we are packing our first Poshmark sale. So I just started my Poshmark store closet like a week or two ago. And I just got my first sale. So let's pack that up and take it over to the post office. And I just wanted to bring y'all with me because, I mean, it's a little exciting. You really don't know the behind the scenes stuff on stuff like that. So I just thought it'd be neat if I brought y'all with me. Now, they are doing some lawn work or whatever the fuck they doing outside this early in the morning. Because I got up. This is the first thing I'm doing today. So let's get to it. I got my handy dandy pen because I have these like little blank cards. So I'm gonna write her like a little thank you note. So like it's like looks like this, and then it's just empty on the inside. So I'm gonna do that. So this is what it looks like. So I already did it. When I was writing it, that's when I said, you know what, I should vlog this. But yeah, so I wrote her a little thank you note, sealed it. And then I'm just gonna include like these little lashes I got from a brand that sent me, somebody sent me these or whatever. I think I got them with my clip-in extensions, maybe. But you know, I have like so much stuff like that laying around that I'm not gonna charge anybody for these. Like stuff like this is not on my Poshmark because I got it for free. So I'm just gonna include it with some of my packages that I send out. You know, a little extra razzle dazzle. So the thing that the girl bought was these Converses, brand spanking new. I never wore them. When I got bought, they were the wrong size. So I couldn't find a receipt, and here we are. And also, you know, I'm really just one of those people that hates returning stuff. So here's a better way to get rid of some of my stuff. That's a lot of stuff that's on my Poshmark. I'm just gonna insert right here what's so far in my Poshmark store. I definitely update it very often. It's definitely not daily, but very often because I'm still like going through stuff. A lot of stuff still has the tags on it because I bought it, it just never returned it. So there's that. Oh, I'm gonna take my little Converse box. I'm gonna insert the lashes, and then I'm going to put in the thank you card like that. So I guess when she opens it, if all goes right, it'll be, you know, kind of like that, you know? But something in my spirit is telling me is to like wrap the box too, or maybe tape it down, maybe. Hold on. So at this point, y'all just gonna walk through, go through the motions with me because I'm not sure. So I did have this little bubble wrap, but is that OD? Because it is a box. Like, what? How bad can they hurt the box? Maybe I'll just tape it down. So I did have this box that I recently got a package from, but it's just this one box. So, I mean, if I put it sideways, it fits. So like, this is the way I put it in the box. So it fits if I put it that way. Because now that I'm thinking about it, what other type of box could fit that? So I'm going to take this box with me because okay, a little more background. Poshmark gives you, if you sign up for this portion, they give you a prepaid shipping label, because then it has your address and the person who you're shipping it to address, so you don't have to like get that information from the person who's buying it. It already comes on the shipping label, so you just got to like print that out. I'm hoping that, because they sent me a USPS shipping label, I was hoping it was like UPS or FedEx, because they're really good with the machines in the place that you can print out the labels. So hopefully USPS has that too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this box. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this box. I wish I had like some peanuts. Do I? Or am I being OZ? Let me know in the comments if you have a Poshmark store, or you ship, drop ship, or not drop ship, but like eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. If you do this on a regular basis, let me know in the comments if I'm being OZ with this shipping, okay? Am I team too much? Let me know. But I just feel like it's so much space. They're gonna be throwing this little box around crazy. Y'all know USPS don't be giving a fuck about your package. So I might still put this in there just for like safety measures, because the box is brand new, but I don't want her to get it and it's broken. She like, what? All right, give me 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. After I remembered that I had like little cute things I could put in the box. So I'm gonna put my little Salon Talk pin in there, because I have like a whole container of these. My dessert business sticker in there, because why not? The thank you note, and then the lashes. Okay, so I'm just, I don't know why I'm trying to put them in the box cute, because the post office is definitely gonna do my dishes with the shipping, because it's not gonna look this cute. Okay, so this is what I got so far. Alright, so I'm gonna, maybe I should take a picture of it. Nah, I'm good. So then I'm going to use this box, because if it was a sneaker store shipping, they would put it in this box, you know? So let's see. Alright, so then I'm just gonna put, maybe I should put it sideways. I mean, I can't figure out if I should put it sideways or, so this is, can you see? This is what we got. So I don't know if I should put it this way, or if I should just put it sideways, just like that. So then it will just slide back and forth like this. And then if I put it in this way, it doesn't slide at all, for real, for real. You just gotta worry about the upside downness of it, right? Or should I sideways and then take this and put it in each corner? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this in half, put it in each corner to help combat. Or should I just, y'all, why am I going through it like this? It's really not that serious. Alright. What happens if you flip it? Got a little cushion. That's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Sideways. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Let's head over to the post office. Okay, so we made it to the post office, but I think I have some tape in my trunk. I do. Bingo. So let me attempt to take my box and then we'll head into the post office to see if they can print out my shipping label. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. If I have a prepaid shipping label, where can I get it printed out?
Let's see what kind.
Okay.
The QR code.
Okay, let's see. So, the post office does not have the equipment to print out my label, so I have to go to basically like a drop ship place that allows you to ship, print out the label, and ship any carrier. So he told me to go to that one, so that's where I'm headed to now, and we'll check back in. That's good to know, because I mean, I guess I could have printed the label at my house, because my apartments have like a printing service, I guess you could say. But this is good to know. So if you're a first time Poshmark, eBay, whatever, make sure you understand the shipping processes, because, you know, it said USPS, but USPS can't do it because they are not up to date. Alright, so let's just go to the next place. Let's just see how it works out there. Okay, so the place that he sent me to is actually like a FedEx, so we'll see if they'll print my paper. Let's see. Hi. Hi, where can I print? I have a prepaid shipping label. A prepaid shipping label. Where can I print it out at?
What do you mean? Where you can...
Like, it came in the email, the label, the shipping label.
Okay. Do you want to? You have it on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. You can go ahead and email it to us, and we can print it out for you.
Oh, okay. Okay, y'all. So the radio, per usual. Okay, so the place was a FedEx, so they wouldn't ship the package, but they did print the label for me. So we have a label. Now we're back at the post office to see if he will accept this label and mail it, like if it was scanned, because they could not take the original, so I had to do a screenshot and all this other shit. So needless to say, we got the label. Now we're back at the post office to see if the said label can be used and this package can be shipped. Who knew? So for all the people who thinking about doing a Poshmark, I think for my next item, I might take it off prepaid shipping, because although it is convenient that it creates the label for you and has all the customer's information on it, this kind of is a hassle. So I'm either gonna start printing the label at home and then bringing it with me, or do private label shipping where you pick who you want to ship through. I'm still deciding, because this was a lot. I haven't had breakfast yet. This is a lot. But here we go. We're about to go to the post office and see what's good. Alright, ladies and gents, we finally got our package shipped off. They were able to scan that label. So guys, so this will complete my first time completing shipping a Poshmark order. So yeah, let me know if you got any questions or any tips. If you've been doing Poshmark for a minute and you got some very handy dandy tips on how shipping, the process could be better, let me know, because this is my first time, okay? So real quick, I just wanted to recap just in case I forgot something while I was in my travels. So basically what I've learned, print your prepaid shipping label off at the house if you can, because they can't pre-print it. They can't print it at the U.S. Postal Service if that's the label that it's coming with. So I'm not sure if they change shipping. That's what I have to find out. I have to find out if they pick which company they're gonna go with for shipping per package, or is it all gonna be USPS? So if you have a Poshmark and you know the answer to that, let me know in the comments. We're just trying to get educated, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much. Thanks for joining me in my little first time run with my Poshmark item, and shout out to the girl who bought my item. Like, that's dope. We get a little income, you know. I mean, it's not really income because I already paid for this stuff. But you know what I'm saying, you get a couple of your dollars back. It's nothing wrong with that, right? Okay, so if you have any questions for me about Poshmark, let me know in the comments. I'll put you on. You know, I ain't gatekeeping. This is the whole point of this video, because I wanted to break that seal on what's really happens behind the scenes. I know people would be like, oh, shop my Poshmark story, post my Poshmark story, but they don't ever tell you like the details behind it. Okay, so I just wanted to pop in and do that for y'all. But it's been real. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you're fucking with me, that you fucks with me in this type of content. But it's been real because I'm hungry. I'm just not getting back in the house. It's 12:20. So I think I started this about 10 o'clock, 10:30. I haven't eaten yet. I literally woke up, did some skincare, drank a cup of water, and started this. So your girl is hungry. Okay, it's been real. Peace out.